रूबिक क्यूब है वो पहले नहीं बनता था, कुछ भी करो आप, ये 3D में और ये सॉल्विंग और बाकी फंक्शनलिटी एंड इट फॉलोज एग्जैक्टली एवरी पार्ट ऑफ फिजिक्स एंड एवरी रूल फ्रॉम देयर. इट्स वेरी फैसिनेटिंग. आईओ को भी रिटायर कर दिया. विद वन लाइन ऑफ प्रॉम्प्ट ओनली इट रोट द होल कोड ऑफ द.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ Spidey. चलो शुरू करते हैं. पहले आपके पास बहुत सारे मॉडल्स होते थे फॉर डिफरेंट टास्क, बट अब नहीं. अब आपके पास है GPT-5 जो हर काम करेगा और स्विच भी करेगा मॉडल अकॉर्डिंग टू द टास्क. हाउ टू एक्सेस दिस? इट्स सिंपल. Go to Google, write ChatGPT, click on ChatGPT, the first website, then you will click on this, write ChatGPT. Here you are. Automatically, it gives you the ChatGPT 5 features without doing anything. Before there were some models and all. Right now, nothing is there. Let's take an example with using the GPT-5 and creating an analytical dashboard with GPT-5. Writing the prompt, GPT-4 versus GPT comparison dashboard with HTML, CSS, JS, and also the speed time and how many GPUs and factor included in that dashboard. Yeah, this is the code that it gave me. Actually, it gives the code directly you and it opens and you can run this in the canvas as well. See the accuracy and see the graph and all style is there like GPT side by side comparison. You can select the filters as well. Let's rewrite the prompt with the comparison of GPT-4 and GPT-5 along with the capability of selection, and it should be dynamic. Yeah, we have directly given the editing thing to prompt and see how it is working. It will edit the code and it has done the job. You can see the GPT-4 versus GPT-5 mark and it's there. You can see how great it does all the things. You can select everything and anything. Rubik Cube game 3D. Let's see that how it does this job. Yeah, so this is the prompt for that and let's ahead. So I wrote the prompt, gave it to ChatGPT-5 and it's giving the result, and see the results are here in the canvas as well. So this is how it did the job. Let me show you how it will work and how it does the job. And yeah, you can see I can change the size as well. I can rotate it freely across the board. It's looking very 3D and it's nice. And also the factors are being dependent on the prompt only, how the prompt goes and all things. Yeah, so see how I have given the 20 by 20 cube as well over there, and it's doing the job. And this is the code for that. Suppose I want to change something in this code, I'll click on the fix bug button and yeah, let me do that. Fix bugs, create. Yeah, that's it. It will now run every step by step and check and will fix the bug, as you can see. Oh, it's great. The speed is, I can say, is a bit thing, but it's writing the complex code as well, analyzing it and making the changes using that. And it opens in the canvas. That's the main thing. See it. Suppose if you want to change the code base as well, that is also possible. Just click on this, go to language. Let's suppose I select C++ over here. Click. That's it. It will do its job and will change the whole code in C++. See, all the things are being done in C++. Jump game. This is the prompt that I have given, like, and it has given me the code. See the parallax effect, the shadow, the movement of ball and high score. The score is changing. The high score is getting updated as soon as I reach that point. It's amazing. Let us check gaming plus physics, how it does the job. Let's have an example of pendulum motion physics. This is the prompt and it's writing the code. Open the canvas. I can see some matches there. Oh, see, it's doing the job. We have the chaotic double pendulum with two masses and how the path is being following depending on the masses. And I guess it's a great way to say it can leverage the education in a whole next level. ChatGPT is very good at coding. So this is the ad from OpenAI YouTube channel. Let us see what they have done. They have created this infinite canvas. Let us see the result. It's beautiful and it's written the code. It's this web app of monochrome diet thing. I don't know what is that. It has done a lot of job. Let's try that one. like create a space website with an object and all things. I have wrote the prompt, click on enter, it has given me a code and see the results. It has given me a fascinating landing web page with a great animation, and I just wrote in simple English, nothing I much explained over there, and it has done the job. Let's try to give it some editing, and I have the image of the broken code. Let's see. Let me write a prompt about this, what it does. The ball is stuck and not falling. Looks like gravity isn't working. Can you analyze the image and generate the code? Something like this. And see, it has given me the code. Let me copy it and test it. It's doing the job correctly or not. Copy it. Replace the code with this. Hit run. Oh man, it has done a fabulous job. It has rewritten a code with using just a screenshot. It's great. We can expect so many more things with this.
Isn't that amazing?
It's your expressing writing partner as well. Like over here you can see someone has written help me define my short story and clarity by doing the stuff, and it has done the job over there as well. You can ask the chat GPT by interacting with the chat. Make it your own. It's changing the color, nothing else. How you can leverage GPT-5? Use GPT-5 like a smart teammate. Ask it to check its own work, tell it to argue against your idea so you can find the mistake before you launch any code or anything. Pretend it's an investor, customer, or critic. Trace your plan. Make GPT-5 a part of your daily tool, like link it to your apps or software so it can help you automatically. Push its limit, like for novel outcomes. Try it, test it, and do much more experiment with that. And you can integrate or treat ChatGPT-5 as a thinking partner if it does the job greatly and you know how to prompt, or maybe you know how to play with that. You can do the experimentation.